Hello everyone! In a couple of minutes my uncle and my cousin will be here and they will pick me up and we will go together to my grandparents, to their village. And I was supposed to wake up at like 6 a.m. and now it's almost 8 and they will be like here right now. And I didn't have my breakfast, I didn't brush my teeth, like nothing at all. So I will do that like really quickly. And then I think I will see you already in the village and show you everything there. But I'm so sleepy. I see everything so blurry with my eyes. I just don't understand why, but still. So yeah, good morning and I'm very happy to see you here back on my channel. Guys, I just need your attention for just a few seconds. Just look at my outfit. I think now I'm just a true fashion icon of this generation. Good morning everyone, and it's the next day that I'm here, and today I'm gonna show you one thing that I do when we have strawberries, and it's the season now, so we're gonna do this together. We need one big strawberry. Okay, we have these 3, and now you have these strawberries, so you take one, you bite so that it has this, and then you put it on your face as a mask. And you know the strawberries brighten your skin, and well, it's just healthy because strawberries have lots of vitamins in them. So you just put it on your face and that's it. I look as if I killed someone. So now I thought that I can make a little pause during my editing and collect some berries. So I have these, and also I'm eating this green apricot, and this year we are having lots of them, and I think that in past maybe 5 years we didn't have any because our trees got some virus or some illness, something, and this year my grandparents sprayed them with something, so now we are having lots of apricots, and I think that we have like 4 or maybe 3 trees of them, and look at it, so many green apricots. So this is our garden, and here are fruit trees. So most of them are just apple trees and lots of sorts of apples, but here are also some sour cherries, and these are, I think, plums, or yeah, I think so. And here we have some gooseberries as well. Just look how huge these are. So these are my gooseberries, and now I'm going to get some strawberries. Just look at this one. And also I bought this huge jar of coconut oil to tan better this summer, and I think that this one will last me really forever. I put it on my legs and also on my arms, so you see that now they shine so much. Like, look at this glow. And I did my nails also the day before I came here, so they are all really shiny and I don't know, just really simple but still cute. Just don't really pay attention to my t-shirt. I tried to clean it, but it just doesn't come off. And here also. So today I ate so much strawberry that I just cannot eat it anymore now, but I still have lots of it here. So now let's make a smoothie together. Here my granny prepares her strawberries to make a jam from all of this, and here we're gonna make a smoothie. First I will put all these strawberries in this little cup. Look at this. Oh my god, I don't even need to turn this on. So satisfying. Well, okay, let's turn this on. And I also want to add a bit of milk. Okay, and now let's make our usual taste test. This really cannot go any way wrong, so it's just so tasty, so good. Like, all the vitamins are here and you can simply drink it and be healthy. I need to also say that I really enjoy being here, and like, it's so relaxing to be here. Like, your mind just simply rests when you have all these green plants, all these green trees, flowers, everything around you that is really green, because green color calms you. And spend so much time with my family, and I don't know, just breathing the fresh air of the village, you know, it's just so good. And I think that I do like living in the city, but sometimes it's so perfect to have a place like this and to be able to come here and just simply rest and take your time and just think about some things that you have on your mind in this calm environment. I don't know, it's just so good. And I think that in the future I would really like to have two places that I can live in, like somewhere outside the city and also in the city. It's really the perfect plan, and I would really love to be able to have something like this in the future. Also, just look at my t-shirt. It's so stylish, so fancy, with these pineapples. I used to wear this t-shirt when I think I was like maybe 11 or 12 or something like this, and now it's in my grandparents' village. Like, just really look at it. I used to wear this, but still it's so interesting to have clothes and things that you used to wear somewhere like in here, and just to be able to come here and like look at all of this and be like, oh my god, I was such a child back then. But of course I had good clothes, and like, for example, this one, I don't know, I would really like to wear it now, because just look at it. It looks really cute and I would really love to wear this now, but it's small for me and I'm so sad because of this. Good morning everyone, and today is the very first sunny day of this week, so we're gonna start our day with lots of sunscreen all over my body because I'm very pale and I sunburn like immediately. So today the plan is to be in the sun and try to get tan, and I think that today is gonna be like 25 or 26 degrees, but now it's hot and I don't know, maybe it will get even higher than that. But for now, I really need lots of SPF on my face because last summer I did not use like SPF because I forgot it at home, and I didn't bring it here, and I laid like somewhere in the shadow. But at the end of the day, I came home, looked in the mirror, and like all my nose was like so red, and this area also so red. So I do not want to experience that situation ever again. So now I want to be prepared like 100% so that I do not burn in the sun. And I just came back home from my grandparents, and just look at me, I look so tan. I don't know, just look at my arms, they are really so brown, like wow. I don't know, I'm just so proud of my tanning skills this summer because like just really look at me, and only my back is burned, that's it. And now I just want to show you some things that I brought with me from my grandparents. And first of all are these socks, and not only these two, but 3 more pairs of socks. So my grandma really loves to knit. I don't know which ones I like the most, but I had something like this, but with some glittery stripes right here, but they got some holes like here. So she made some similar to those that I had before. I don't think that these are like really my style, you know, but still they are warm and they will keep me warm this winter in Lithuania, because, well, the winters there are really cold. I don't know, just they are really humid there, and well, cold with all this snow and everything. They're just, you know, different from winters here in Ukraine. So these are the socks from my grandmother, and then also we collected lots of berries, so I just really need to show you them. So first of all, here's this huge bucket of strawberries. Like, just really look at it, it's so big. Then also here's some black raspberry and some gooseberries that I really love. So here's this. And then also I have lots of cucumbers and then some zucchinis, and that's pretty much it. And in here I have also some freshly dried chamomile that my grandmother collected and then dried herself. So now I have this for my tea. So now what I'm gonna do is unpack the rest of my very huge bag that I brought with me, and then probably I will go outside, maybe get some groceries, but I don't know because I like have so much food at home, so I don't know. And that's probably it for today, because I just want to end this vlog like somewhere right here, because I think that I have like really lots of material now for this video. So thank you so much for watching, and I hope you liked this video and maybe my previous ones too. So don't forget to like, leave a comment and subscribe to my channel, and I really hope to see you very soon in my next videos. So bye bye.